Alright, here's what they look like. Awesome set of headphones. Super nice cushion here. These are noise canceling. It's for the right ear, left ear. They're super comfortable. And if you look here, you'll see a light blinking. That's in paired mode. This will blink red and blue when you first flip the lever to on. And then you need to hold down this. This is the button here. You just hold it down here, and then when you hold it down, your Google will open up, and you can give it a voice command to make a phone call to one of your contacts. If you just press the bottom here, hear it. If you hit it again, it will pause it. So everything's controlled from right here. And same thing, if you hold it down, you'll activate your Google. But I'm super impressed with these. I've owned Beats headphones, and for this price point, they keep up with very expensive headphones. These are not super lightweight. They feel like they're very well made and like they will last. So overall, for the money that I paid for these, I'm super impressed. This is an excellent pair of wireless headphones, Bluetooth. So there you go.